Does this restaurant serve the best steak in Sydney? We had the tomahawk steak, my Eurostation Wagyu, and the dry aged ribeye. Stay tuned to see what was the best. We're here at the Meat and Wine Coast Safari. Now about time I finally got to come here, and it did not disappoint. It literally gives off safari vibes. We booked the hut seating and got straight to business. The entrees came out. There were king prawns, beef tartare, tuna sashimi, but the best was the scallops. Like, you guys have to try this. It was so unique. Like, it was just something different, you know. Next up was the mains and sides. Low key, the tomahawk steak was mid. Like, it was okay, but just not that good. However, the my Eurostation Wagyu, wow bro, easily my favorite of the night, my favorite meat. Wait, pause. Just trust me bro, my Eurostation is the one. My favorite sides had to be the truffle mac and cheese and the Hasselback potatoes. Moving on to my second favorite cut of steak of the night, the dry aged ribeye. Now this had a really unique flavor, obviously because of the dry aging. Definitely recommend though, it was pretty good. For dessert we had the brownie sundae and the creme brulee. It was such a great experience. 1.3 G's though, pretty hefty, but I'm still coming back.